List of essential Excel formulas. There are hundreds of functions in Excel that can be very helpful in crunching numbers and transforming data into information. Here are three categories of critical functions that every savvy Excel user should know how to read and use. See these formulas and functions in action by downloading list of Excel formulas. It's only logical. Syntax if logical, test value if true, value if false. How to read if this is true then this, otherwise this. Uses to create data where there isn't any. Example, if this year's purchases are greater than last year's, then we want to designate the status as growth. If this year purchase is less than last year, it should be designated as decline. Our formula could look like this: if B2 is greater than A2, growth decline, as shown in picture. And syntax and logical 1, logical 2, logical, and how to read this is true and this is true and this is true. Uses to test whether all conditions expressed in each logical are accurate. Say we continue our example above. If we need for the number of purchases to exceed 20 and the total purchases to equal greater than $50,000, we should create a formula in column C. If we recorded the number of purchases in column B, the result will show either true or false. We could then use the new value to create an if statement showing a Y or blank for the premium column. Our syntax are logical 1, logical 2, logical, and how to read this is true or this is true or this is true. Uses to test whether any condition expressed in each logical are accurate. If we re-interrupt what premium means, for example, either over 20 purchases or over $50,000 purchases, if would look like this. If any of the conditions are true, the cell value will be true, and with the and condition above, all of the conditions had to be true. That depends conditional functions. Syntax: how to read, what range do you want to examine, and for what criteria. When found, what do you want to sum. Uses to add up values in a particular range based on certain criteria. Example, we have values from various locations. We only want to create a sum with those from Detroit, so our formula would like this.